Tomato clownfish, also known as the red clownfish, is a popular marine fish species that inhabits the coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific region. These colorful fish are famous for their symbiotic relationship with the sea anemone, which serves as their shelter and protection from predators. In this article, we will explore the fascinating behavior of tomato clownfish as they hide in sea anemones, which grow on the seabed among corals, using underwater footage in full HD. Sea anemones are stationary creatures that belong to the cnidarian family, which also includes jellyfish and corals. These animals have a unique ability to sting their prey with their tentacles, which contain specialized cells called nematocysts. However, sea anemones also provide shelter and protection for certain fish species, such as tomato clownfish, that have developed a mutualistic relationship with them. Tomato clownfish have a special mucus coating on their skin that prevents them from being stung by the sea anemone's tentacles. In return, the clownfish provide food for the sea anemone by bringing it small pieces of leftover food and cleaning its tentacles from debris. This mutualistic relationship benefits both species, as the clownfish find a safe haven in the sea anemone, while the anemone receives food and cleaning services. Underwater footage in full HD allows us to observe the fascinating behavior of tomato clownfish as they hide in sea anemones among corals on the seabed. The footage shows the clownfish swimming around the coral reef, searching for a suitable sea anemone to make their home. Once they find a suitable sea anemone, they approach it cautiously, using their sense of smell to detect whether it is the right species. After the clownfish have identified a suitable sea anemone, they perform a ritualistic dance around it to acclimate to its tentacles and establish their territory. The dance involves the clownfish swimming in a circular motion around the sea anemone, rubbing their fins against its tentacles and body, and flicking their tails to create a current that helps the sea anemone to breathe. Once the clownfish have established their territory, they make their way inside the sea anemone's tentacles, using their body to brush against them and stimulate their movement. The sea anemone responds by retracting its tentacles, creating a cozy nest for the clownfish to hide in. The footage also shows the clownfish peeking out from the sea anemone's tentacles, looking for food and predators. The clownfish are constantly vigilant, using their keen eyesight to detect any potential threats. If they sense danger, they quickly retreat back into the safety of the sea anemone's tentacles. Tomato clownfish are also known for their territorial behavior, and the underwater footage shows them fiercely defending their sea anemone from other clownfish and fish species. The clownfish aggressively chase away any intruders that come too close to their territory, using their fins and tails to intimidate them. In conclusion, tomato clownfish's behavior as they hide in sea anemones among corals on the seabed is a fascinating example of mutualistic symbiosis in the marine world. Underwater footage in full HD allows us to observe the intricate dance between these two species as they establish their relationship and benefit from each other's presence. It is a testament to the diversity and complexity of life in our oceans and reminds us of the importance of protecting our marine ecosystems.